Hi, my name is Sailesh. So as a consultant, I would like to start with the scenario first. I'm going to go with the flow-based scenario. So as a consultant, first of all, I would like to explain the scenario, that the problem that I'll be solving, and the introduction. So as an employee of Contoso, the scenario is I want easy way to request time off. I will enter the relevant details, then it will be routed for approvals automatically, create calendar appointment if approved, and send email if rejected. So it seems like the Contoso employees are facing issues with application of their vacation, or for their time off. It seems like they are going through a traditional method of communication, and then whenever they have to request for time off, they are doing it traditionally. So as a consultant, in order to solve this issue, I'm using a flow-based scenario and using Power Automate to solve this. Before I start with the Power Automate, I'll also like to go through introduction of Contoso first. Contoso is a small retail business, and it has two store locations in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It sells a variety of goods. Now I'll jump into the Power Automate to how I would solve this issue. First of all, in order to solve this issue, I created a form, a Microsoft form, where the employees can submit their information, and then when they submit the information and send it, it will appear in manager's email, and then when manager will accept the or reject the request, it will go in there straight in their email. And if the request is accepted, it will automatically go to their Outlook calendar. So this is the form that I have I've prepared. So as an employee, they would, for example, I'll put in my name. So for example, they will put the name, and then they will go. For example, they'll set the date. Say they want a request time off from 18th to say 30th of June. And for example, it's a vacation type of leave, and they will submit it. So I missed the step. I should have tested this first, and then I should have run the flow first, and then submit the form later. So I switched the step. So this one should be the first. Yeah, I apologize for that. So first of all, the request will be, this will be the form flow. So first of all, they will request the new the response will be submitted, and then they will be, get the response details. And I have set the condition: if it's accepted, the event will be created in the Microsoft Outlook, and if there is a rejection, it will go straight in the email, and they will get there will be rejection for their request. So they will submit the form, and then and it will show up in the email. I can show you the email. So it will show in the email like this, and then the manager will either approve or reject. So when the approve button is hit, for example, he will put the comment, say good to go if it's accepted. Yes, and then it will appear in the calendar. So I've done a couple of times, so it's showing up so many times. So the date set will appear in the Outlook calendar like this. So I've created the automated flow in the Power Automate to automate how they can request for their time off and automate their way of applying for their time off. Yeah, so that was the automation, and I was going to show the PowerPoint. Yeah, so the lessons that I have learned is that the environment configuration and hands-on practice. So I run into issue of environment configuration. I was in the wrong environment, and I didn't get what I want, and it kept on, and I had to get the new trial environment again, and then start all over again yesterday. So that was my lesson learned. Thank you.